Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 3. For this, you should have already completed Project 2, and Project 2 looks like this. When you switch on, it displays number 1. And what this project wants us is to connect additional wires. So wire from I11 to negative. Okay, I've connected I11 to negative. Let me switch on. See, the middle segment is now on. 11 to, then I12 to negative. I12 to negative. You can choose any color wire, doesn't matter. Okay, so 2 more segments are on now, and then I15 to negative. I15 to negative wire is already there based on project 2. Then C14 to negative wire also is already present. It can be C14 to negative or A14 to negative. They both are same. Next is C11 to negative. C11 to negative. Okay. See, it's displaying letter H. So by connecting different segments of the 7-segment display, you can display numbers or letters. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.